If you think your skin is just a protective layer, you're missing the bigger picture. Scientists now know that your skin isn't just a passive barrier, it has its own immune system. And it's far more intelligent and responsive than anyone expected. Most people think of the immune system as something deep inside the body, a network of white blood cells and organs like the spleen or lymph nodes. But in reality, your skin is on the front lines. It's constantly defending you against bacteria, viruses, fungi, toxins, and even microscopic scratches you don't notice. But the surprising part is how smart and selective this system really is. Your skin is filled with specialized immune cells, like Langerhans cells, dendritic cells, and resident T cells. These aren't just random cells drifting around. They're like border patrol agents with memory, strategy, and specific instructions. They can identify threats, launch attacks, and even call for backup from the rest of your immune system. Recent research has shown that these skin-resident immune cells can remember past threats, almost like a mini version of your immune memory. If you've ever gotten a rash faster the second time you touch something irritating, that's part of the reason why. Your skin remembered. What makes this even more fascinating is how localized this memory is. Your body might forget the reaction elsewhere, but your skin cells at that exact spot hold onto the data. Scientists now call this tissue-resident memory, and it's changing how we think about everything from allergies to skin infections to vaccine design. In fact, some researchers believe we could develop targeted skin vaccines that train this local immune memory right at the site of infection. That means faster response, less strain on the body, and more personalized treatment for skin-related conditions. And the intelligence doesn't stop there. Your skin's immune cells can communicate with your nervous system. That's why things like stress or fear can trigger rashes, hives, or flare-ups of eczema. It's not just emotional. It's a chemical chain reaction happening through nerve and immune connections. There's also emerging evidence that these skin-based immune responses may affect overall inflammation levels in the body. If your skin's immune balance is off, say from chronic irritation, poor hygiene, or extreme dryness, it may be triggering silent inflammation that travels deeper, affecting everything from your joints to your mood. Some scientists even suggest this might be one of the hidden links between skin health and chronic illness. Conditions like psoriasis, dermatitis, and rosacea may not just be skin deep. They could reflect larger immune imbalances your body is constantly managing. There's also the microbiome to consider, the ecosystem of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that live on your skin and support its immune function. When this balance is healthy, it actually helps teach your immune system what to tolerate and what to fight. But when it's disrupted, it can confuse your immune cells and lead to unnecessary or chronic inflammation. What's more, new findings suggest that the skin's immune system may also influence wound healing. Some cells don't just defend, they coordinate tissue repair. That means your skin is playing a larger role in how quickly and effectively your body bounces back from cuts, abrasions, or even surgeries. And it doesn't stop at infections or healing. There's growing interest in how the skin's immune response may interact with hormonal changes, especially during puberty or menopause. Shifts in hormone levels appear to alter how active or sensitive the skin's immune system becomes, which could explain changes in acne, irritation, or flare-ups during those times. All of this points to one big idea: your skin is thinking. Not in the way a brain does, but in how it adapts, learns, and responds. It reacts to the world and remembers what it learns. It has reflexes, decision-making abilities, and the power to trigger responses across the entire body. And we're just getting started. Scientists are now mapping the communication lines between skin cells, immune cells, nerve endings, and even the microbiome that lives on your skin. It's an ecosystem, not a wall. If this surprises you, check out our video titled, "This Part of the Body Keeps Working After Death, but No One Knows Why." In that one, we break down how the body continues to function in unexpected ways even after clinical death, and what it reveals about how complex human biology really is. Make sure to subscribe to ScienceIon for more discoveries that change the way we see the human body. Every week, we bring you the most fascinating breakthroughs from the frontiers of science, medicine, and biology. all explained in a way that actually makes sense.